I just got my HDS live transducer, and I'm going to go out fishing here, at least checking it out and testing it with my HDS graph. The first thing that I did was I went online and I downloaded the update for the graph. But you also have to have the latest update for the transducer. So I downloaded that also. So now I'm out on the water. So I'm going to pitch the jig right out in front. Oh, there it is. I can see it coming down on the graph. That is so cool. I'm jigging it. Oh, wow. I'm watching it swim right back to me. As I get closer, I can even see my line. And now when I reel it up it comes. This is unreal. In the future for me, I think that I'm going to be using this type of a setup constantly for my jig fishing. I can only imagine when a big fish comes in, and you'll be able to see it blast the jig live. And my impressions, first time on the water, this is some awesome technology.